Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt, and I'm going to make drinks for you. So this cocktail I'm going to make for you right now is called the Alaska, right? Originally, this is a gin-based cocktail, and the original recipe calls for Old Tom's gin. But modern times, London dry gin is the preferred and what is normally used to make this drink. So let's get started. First thing first, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of our gin. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of some yellow Chartreuse, just 1/2 ounce. We're going to go with 1 dash of an orange bitter, just 1 dash. Add a little ice. Smell that gin. Get us a nice little Nora glass. If I like this and I make this for myself, I'm gonna double up that recipe. That's that's a little hit. Anyway, cheers. Let's see what this Alaska tastes like. Very alcohol forward. Pretty strong drink. It balances pretty well. You know, if you like to taste your alcohol, you can taste it in Alaska for sure. Anyway, I like it. I like it. It's a good gin drink that doesn't have any lemon or lime aspect to it, so there's no sour to it. It's just a straight gin drink where you actually get the flavors, and that yellow Chartreuse actually does shine, which is very hard to find yellow Chartreuse, so I don't think you guys are making a lot of these videos with yellow Chartreuse unless you buy it online. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.